We're gonna unpack the Mountain Macropad. Here we go. Manual seems to be in the top here. Quick start guide. Okay, this seems to be the base. The heavy base. This seems to be the pad itself. We got M1 until M12 keys on here. We've got one of these tools to remove keycaps and replace them. So I guess you can replace them with custom keycaps. And we got a USB-C to USB cable. So we can push that in here. And then we can attach it to our computer. Now we have 12 keys that we can basically customize to whatever we want. Sadly, they don't give an image because they're not a display. So you gotta need to remember what M1, 2, 3 is. Or you can add custom keycaps or maybe a sticker or something on top of it if you want to remember what they do. I think good cases for this would be something like streaming, maybe editing, adding some workflow things for your job, or playing games like Age of Empires where you have like a lot of shortcuts in. You can use these for the shortcuts as well.